A cockatoo is any of the 21 parrot species belonging to the family Cockatooidae, the only family in the superfamily Cockatooidea. Along with the Psittacoidea true parrots and the Strigopoidea large New Zealand parrots, they make up the order Psittaciformes. The salmon-crested cockatoo, also known as a Moluccan cockatoo, is a cockatoo endemic to the Seram archipelago in eastern Indonesia. At a height of up to 46-52 centimeters and weight of up to 850 grams, it is among the largest of the white cockatoos. The female is larger than the male on average. The white cockatoo, also known as the umbrella cockatoo, is a medium-sized all-white cockatoo endemic to tropical rainforest on islands of Indonesia. When surprised, it extends a large and striking head crest, which has a semicircular shape.
A cockatoo can talk?
Yes, cockatoos can talk and have a naturally soft and sweet voice, unlike other parrots who have a harsher voice. Although it might take you a bit longer to teach them how to talk compared to other kinds of parrots, the job can still be done as long as you're patient enough in the matter.
What kind of cockatoo can talk?
Gala, sulfur-crested, and cockatoos become good talkers with consistent training from a young age. Goffin, umbrella, and Major Mitchell's cockatoos aren't the most talkative birds, preferring to vocalize through calls and screeches.
Stay connected, watch, like and subscribe to my channel. Watch a little and learn a little. Only here in Little Foreman. Thanks for watching.